Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by freeing resources. Close other apps and background utilities so Garageband has headroom. Next, open Preferences and lower the buffer to 512 or try 256 if CPU allows. This reduces latency while balancing load. Make sure to disable unused virtual instruments and external MIDI routing because each instance consumes audio threads. Once done, save and restart GarageBand to flush caches and reinitialize audio drivers. This simple sequence often removes transient overloads before deeper tuning is needed. Now you dig into the project. Bounce CPU-heavy tracks to audio or use track freeze to retain edits without live processing. This is crucial because virtual instruments and layered plugins are the usual overload culprits. Also, check the project sample rate. Switching from 96,000 Hz down to 44, 100 Hz cuts CPU and disk throughput substantially, while keeping audio quality acceptable for most projects. Once these are applied, make sure to disable non-essential plugin automation and retest playback to measure improvement. Finish by doing system-level checks. Increase the I/O buffer to 1024 if real-time playback still overloads, because larger buffers trade latency for stability. If problems persist, create a new empty project and import a single track to isolate corrupt project data or a problematic plugin. Make sure your Mac OS, audio interface drivers, and GarageBand are up to date, since compatibility bugs can cause overloads. If you still see overload warnings, restart the audio engine or use the troubleshooting tip. Remove third-party plugins one by one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.